Ever found yourself buried under a pile of cords, trying to figure out which one goes where? We've all been there. That's why today we're diving into the world of life hacks. Simple, clever solutions to everyday challenges that can truly revolutionize your routine. From taming wild cords to mastering the art of quick ironing, these hacks are designed to streamline your day and make life a little bit easier. Stick around till the end because I've got a challenging questionnaire for you to test your newfound knowledge. First up, we have the magic of the sock method for folding clothes. This ingenious trick is all about making your life easier and your drawers neater. Here's how it works. Start by laying your clothes flat on a surface. Next, take a pair of socks and place them in the center of the garment. Now fold the sides over, enveloping the socks. You'll notice it forms a neat little bundle. Finally, tuck the ends of the socks around the bundle, securing it in place. And there you have it. Your clothes are not only folded but also bundled up, ready to be placed neatly in your drawer. This method is not only efficient, but it also maximizes the space in your drawers, allowing you to fit more in less space. And the best part? It's quick and easy. Trust me, it's a game changer. Get ready to have your mind blown with this next life hack. Picture this. You're running late for an important meeting. You grab your favorite shirt from the wardrobe only to realize that the collar and hems are wrinkled. Fear not, your trusty hair straightener is here to save the day. This versatile tool is not just for your hair, it can be your mini iron too. Simply plug it in, let it heat up, and then gently clamp the collar or hem between the plates. Glide it smoothly along the fabric, just like you would do with your hair. Within seconds, those pesky wrinkles will disappear, leaving you with a crisp, freshly ironed shirt. The hair straightener is perfect for those last-minute touch-ups when you don't have the time to haul out the ironing board. It's a total game changer, trust me. Say goodbye to wrinkled shirts forever. Let's keep the momentum going with a couple more useful tips. Picture this. You're on your daily commute. You reach for your earphones and they're a tangled mess. Frustrating, right? Well, here's a simple solution. Try storing your earphones in an old mint container. Not only does this keep them tangle-free, but it also protects them from damage. Now let's talk about bobby pins. These little lifesavers have a knack for disappearing when you need them most. But fear not, because we have a hack for that too. Attach a magnetic strip inside your bathroom cabinet or drawer. This humble magnet becomes a perfect holder for your bobby pins, keeping them in one place and easy to find. But what about those pesky chargers that seem to multiply and tangle overnight? Here's a pro tip. Use bread clips to label and organize them. This way, you'll never have to play the guessing game again. And finally, for those who love a good cup of tea but hate the string falling into the hot water each time, just stick the string through a hole in the tea bag and fold it over. No more fishing around with a spoon to get the string out. These hacks might seem small, but they can make a big difference in your daily routine. Remember, it's the little things that often make the biggest impact. Small changes, big impact. To wrap things up, let's recap the life hacks we've covered today. We started with the sock method for folding clothes, a game changer for maintaining neat and tidy drawers. Then, we moved on to the quick and efficient hair straightener hack to keep your collars crisp, even when you're in a rush. We didn't stop there though. We also shared tips for keeping your earphones tangle-free with a simple mint container and a magnetic strip to keep track of all those elusive bobby pins. Each of these hacks is designed to streamline your daily routine and make life a little bit smoother. Now, it's your turn. I challenge you to implement these hacks into your everyday life. Once you've given them a shot, share your experiences in the comments below. We're all here to learn from each other after all. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.